Hello, beautiful people. How you guys are doing? I hope you're having a fabulous day. Um, in this particular video, I want to go over Telegram and Zoom. You heard it right. Reason why, believe it or not, when I send invites or when I'm inviting people to my HFX sessions, believe it or not, people look like they get turned away as soon as I say that as soon as I ask them if they have access to Zoom or if they have access to Telegram, they freeze, like they want to go the other direction. I don't know what it is about Telegram and Zoom, but first of all, I want to just go over Zoom first. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to take you guys to Zoom. All right, so this is Zoom, y'all. This is an app. Now, I don't know why people is so fearful of Zoom. Believe me, Zoom is nothing but a class or like a conference meeting place where a lot of business companies, like real high class business company, not just high class business company, but just entrepreneurs, everyone uses Zoom for like virtual meetings. I mean, this is like today's world where a lot of companies, a lot of times they're communicating from one-on-one from home or from even in the office setting. They're using Zoom. It's a great way to connect with other people, especially if you are living in different states. So I really don't understand what the fearfulness of Zoom is. And now, guess what? With COVID-19, or COVID happened last year when our whole country went into the pandemic. A lot of schools in different states, what did they use? They used Zoom, y'all. The kids, they had them at home doing virtual learning or distance learning from home using Zoom. Okay. So I don't know why people are so fearful of Zoom. I really don't. It's just like I'm amazed by the amount of how people are just really, really scared of Zoom. But this is Zoom. It's really easy peasy on how to set it up. You will have to set it up. But again, it's not that hard to do to set up Zoom. I conduct my sessions on there because it's easy to do that. Again, it's nothing to be scared about or whatever, but even my team, we use Zoom, okay? But it's a great way to just interact with one another, to educate people about trading, okay? And if you don't know what trading is, please look it up, because I always tell people to do your own research. Do your own research. Matter of fact, do your own research about what I'm discussing right now in this video, which is Telegram and Zoom. Do your research on that. I have no problems with you doing that, okay? But always do your own research. But don't be scared of Zoom and don't be scared of Telegram, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and click on it. This is how it's going to look, okay? Oh, and it went out on me. But that's just how it looks, okay? And all you gotta do, I'm gonna go ahead and hit sign up, because technically, like, that's what you're gonna have to do at the end of the day. Like, if you do not have access to Zoom, once you download, like if you've never been on Zoom, you will have to sign up. So you'll see where it says sign up and you see sign in, okay? In my case, all I have to do is literally sign in because I already have an account with Zoom. All you gotta do is sign up for Zoom. Zoom is free. They do have a paid version, but to just connect with me and to be a part of my free Forex course, and to even be part of my paid course when we have our own team meetings, because we do literally have that, you will definitely will need to have Zoom, okay? It is nothing wrong with Zoom, okay? Again, kids, schools are using Zoom for the kiddos, okay? There's nothing wrong with Zoom, y'all. It's nothing wrong with Zoom, okay? It's okay if you're not familiar with it, because again, we all are introduced to something, okay? I didn't always know about Zoom. I didn't always know about Telegram. I didn't always know about a lot of things. And that is okay. That's not what my argument is really about. It's just about, don't be fearful of Zoom. Don't be fearful of Telegram, okay? So hit sign up. When you hit sign up, it says verification. Please confirm your date of birth. So you will have to confirm your date of birth, but again, nothing to be afraid of. In my case, I'm just going to say, I'm going to leave it on July the 21st, and I'm just going to put a year. 1990. Confirm it. Now, once you put your date of birth, you will have to put your email address, your first name, your last name. Guys, nothing to be fearful of. Just do that, okay? And then all you got to hit is this blue tab, sign up. Once you hit that, you will get an email to confirm your email address, because most companies, anytime you sign up on anything, they always would like for you to confirm your email, make sure that you're using your own email address. So that's it. That's it. I promise. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. I promise. I would not steer you wrong in that. Okay, so that's all. Okay, so that's all I want to say regarding Zoom. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's move forward to Telegram. Okay, so cancel this. Let's go to Telegram. So Telegram is a platform that I use for my group support for my free course. Okay, and believe me, my paid course, we use Telegram for my paid course for our have group support in my paid Forex community as well. Okay, so that's actually how I was even introduced in Telegram in the first place, was through just through different affiliate programs and even Forex paid courses. So nothing is wrong with Telegram, y'all, at all. More and more people literally is using Telegram. Some people is just using it for their personal convenience with connecting with other people. Okay, so it's nothing wrong with Telegram at all. It is just a great way to communicate with other people. Just almost like Facebook or stuff. For the only difference is you can do group support. You can do group. You can set up a group. Saying what I want to say on Messenger. You can set a Messenger group. So that way. But it's just, that's what it is at the end of the day. I'm gonna go ahead and take you to it on Telegram. This is my female boss traders is my free Forex course. Okay, so literally all you gotta do at the end of the day is join if you want to join. Okay, I am educating, dropping value. If you really want to learn all about Forex, join my free Forex community. Okay, and again, my paid course, y'all, is like lit. When I say it's lit, it's lit. My free course is lit too, because I'm dropping nothing but valuable content in my free course. And we do have Zoom meetings right now. I have them on Sundays at 9 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I was having them on Mondays. Mondays are more like, now I'm not going to probably have them on every Monday. So it might be maybe once or twice a month on a Monday. But overall, you can join. Okay, and on Wednesdays I have what is called as HFX sessions on Wednesdays. So in my free course, y'all definitely are able to join those, just because I'm hosting Wednesdays HFX sessions. Okay, so and which is today at 9 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you want to join, you can. All I'm doing is looking at the market in my HFX broker, and learn, and y'all can take market ideas, or you can just sit there and watch and learn. That's it. That's all I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on here. For privacy reasons, most likely I am going to blur a lot of people's names out just for privacy reasons. But this is my paid community. I only went in here so y'all could kind of see the amount of enrollment that I have. I have 259 members in my free course. So hopefully you guys, that's like letting you know that my free course is legit. There's nothing for you to be fearful of. All I'm doing is teaching all about how you can trade in the foreign exchange market. True, there's going to be losses, but also there's going to be wins. You're going to win some trades, but also you can lose some trades. And all I do in my free course is I teach how to use proper risk management, as well as if you join my paid course, that's all we really talk about. That's like what we focus on. Okay, but yeah, that's it. I hope this was valuable to you. I hope that now this is kind of bring you awareness of what Telegram is about. But yeah, it's just a group, a way of you can communicate with other members, with other people in Telegram. Okay, so don't be afraid of Telegram. with Telegram, you have to do the same thing. Just set up an account with Telegram. Telegram, it is Android, Apple friendly, and on your mobile device, on your computer, on your desktop, and on your laptop, you will have to have Windows program in order to use Telegram. Just heads up there. You will not be able to access Telegram using your MacBook. Heads up there. So just kind of throwing that out there now. But other than that, if you have a mobile device, no matter if it's Apple or Android, you should be able to download Telegram and utilize it. Sign up. It's free to do. I promise you, it's free. And that's it. I automatically provide you the link, but if you don't have the link, hit me up, contact me so I can provide you my Telegram link for my group, because you will need that in order to join. So not only are you signing up, but you will need my link in order to join my female boss trader group. So that's really it. Okay, so I hope this was informative enough for you to kind of understand. But yeah, don't be afraid of Telegram. Do not be afraid of Zoom. Okay, do not be afraid at all. Okay, but that's it. I'm ending it on this note. Have a blessed day, and I will talk to you guys